Hello, and welcome to English with Ease. I'm so happy you're here. Whether you're learning English for work, travel, or everyday conversations, you're in the right place. We'll learn step by step in a simple and practical way. So, let's begin. What if you could confidently greet anyone in English in just a few minutes? In today's lesson, you'll learn the most common English greetings used in everyday life. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat with me. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet people with confidence. This is Lesson 1 of our beginner English course. Today, we'll practice 4 types of greetings: morning greetings, everyday greetings, evening greetings, and common ways to say goodbye. Let's get started. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks. We use good morning when meeting someone before noon. Hello, hi. Hello, nice to meet you. Hi, it's nice to see you. Hello is polite and works in almost every situation. Hi is more casual and is often used with friends and coworkers. Good evening. Good evening. How was your day? It was great, thank you. We use good evening when meeting someone in the evening. Goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day. These are common and polite ways to end a conversation. Great job. Now, let's practice together. Listen carefully. Pause the video if you need more time. Then, repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks. Hello, hi. Hello, nice to meet you. Good evening. Goodbye. See you later. Word of the day. Today's word is greeting. A greeting is something you say when you meet someone. Example: good morning is a greeting. Quick quiz. Let's see what you remember. Which greeting do we use before noon? That's right, good morning. Which greeting is more casual? Correct. Hi. What can you say when leaving? Goodbye, or see you later. Excellent work today. Thank you for learning with English with Ease. Keep practicing a little every day, and you'll become more confident with every lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.